What's up everyone? So I have a family member whose Mercedes C-Class lease just ended and he wanted to get something different this time, and he decided to switch brands and go with the Tesla Model 3. Initially, I was, very hesitant about going towards, electric cars. I wasn't sure if the technology was there yet in terms of range or quality or whatever, but I gotta say, the first time I test drove this, the acceleration and everything was just amazing. The handling, the quietness, the self-driving features, etc. Tesla has really produced an amazing car, and in person, I think the Model 3 looks a lot better than some of the pictures online, and then it really has some nice clean curves. Overall, I think it's a great looking car. And one of the first things that I was told was that these wheels are not the original wheels. So what you're seeing is actually a hubcap, what they call the Aero Covers. And behind the Aero Covers actually sits a much nicer looking rim. So for this video, we're gonna actually remove these Aero Covers and I'll show you how that process will go. Some of the benefits of removing the Aero Covers is that it actually makes the rim much easier to clean. Over time, if you leave the Aero Covers on and kind of never wipe off the brake dust behind it, it's just going to cake up on the rims. So I think the benefits of removing the Aero Cover are better looks and ease of cleaning the wheels. And so yeah, let's go ahead and just pop off these covers. So this is a brand new car. Covers have never been popped off. So let's just see how difficult this will be. So supposedly, if you just give it a light tug, it should come right off. So I'll just grip it here and pull. Oh, that was easy. Oh, not bad at all. So then if we flip it, you can kind of just see how it has these clips in the center ring. So this is what attaches to the spokes of the wheel and the center bore. And then, yeah, so let's go to the next step. So the earlier you take the hubcap off, the better it probably is. That way you won't get any brake dust, residue anywhere, and abrasion over time. So right now you can see like how clean the rims are, and it still has that shine everywhere. But what's missing is the covers for the lug nuts and the center bore cap. So on Amazon, I just picked up a cheap set of covers. It only cost me $22, but you have your center cap here and your plastic lug covers. So yeah, let's just peel off the protective plastic and slap it on, and we'll see what the final result looks like. So you can see the comparison between the front and the rear wheel. I think the front looks a million times better. It's actually a really nice looking wheel. And this whole process only took maybe 30 seconds per wheel. So overall, I think it's a worthwhile first mod to do. Very simple and cheap.